from your vehicle?
No.
Like you said it normally smells like that. Is that what you're saying?
It's just a car, yeah. It's really not.
Okay. You say, do you just smoke a lot, or do you have commonly have weed?
I don't smoke a lot, but when I smoke, I try to do it in my car. So
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
I'm not here. This is the registration. I have the insurance on paper, but if we renew by himself gate code, so I'm gonna go look it up in there.
You're gonna what? You gotta look on your phone?
Yeah.
All right, so you can put that stuff away for me. And then they can get out.
Alright, I'll have both of you guys, everybody get out and just get in the front of the car.
You get out of the car. How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19.
My twin sister 19 too.
Okay.
And then my cousin.
How old are you?
14.
Okay. Will you run them for me? I'm gonna go ahead and search the car really quick. It smells like weed, so. Hey man, will you just keep an eye on this so you search this real quick? Thank you.
He's gonna talk to you here. You don't need to dig in there just yet.
Hey, just 1 second, man. 9WC2 Central Sharp Stop. Flagler and North Atlantic, Florida Tag, Romeo, India, Sierra 18, beyond Silver Toyota.
He'll let you know.
Hey, I'm Lieutenant McDowell with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department, okay? One, the reason I'm stopping you is because your windshield's tinted, okay? Two, when you pass by me, the odor of marijuana just hit me in the face, okay? Is there any weed or anything like that in the car?
I got my cousins in here. I got my little cousins in here, so there's really nothing in the car, but my car smells like that, yeah.
Yeah, it smells like weed, man.
Yeah.
So, okay. Do you have a license, registration, insurance for you? Does anybody else in here have IDs on them?
Oh, that's good.
How old are you? Do you have an ID, though? Yeah, can I get it?
I think everything is right. I'll start with my ID.
You have ID?
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Is there any marijuana, hemp, low concentration THC, anything that would cause the odor to be emitting from your vehicle?
No.
Like you said it normally smells like that. Is that what you're saying?
It's just a car, yeah. It's really not.
Okay. You say, do you just smoke a lot, or do you have commonly have weed?
I don't smoke a lot, but when I smoke, I try to do it in my car. So
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
I'm not here. This is the registration. I have the insurance on paper, but if we renew by himself gate code, so I'm gonna go look it up in there.
You're gonna what? You gotta look on your phone?
Yeah.
All right, so you can put that stuff away for me. And then they can get out.
Alright, I'll have both of you guys, everybody get out and just get in the front of the car.
You get out of the car. How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19.
My twin sister 19 too.
Okay.
And then my cousin.
How old are you?
14.
Okay. Will you run them for me? I'm gonna go ahead and search the car really quick. It smells like weed, so. Hey man, will you just keep an eye on this so you search this real quick? Thank you.
On March 17, 2025, a traffic stop in Flagler Beach, Florida became a test case for Fourth Amendment search authority in the medical marijuana era. The legal question: can marijuana odor alone justify a warrantless vehicle search when hemp and medical cannabis are legal and smell identical? Under Florida Statute 13.2953, the tinted windshield provided valid probable cause for the initial stop. Statute confirmed this in 2012. But the officer's statement, "The odor of marijuana just hit me in the face," transformed this from traffic violation to criminal investigation. Under March 2025 law, that odor statement alone gave search authority under the automobile exception. No warrant required. This was settled precedent. Pennsylvania. Mimms, 1977. Officers may order all occupants from vehicles during lawful stops. No additional justification needed.
Alrighty, who was up front? Who was in the passenger seat? Were you? Can you stand up for me? Do you have any more on you? Anything else?
I got some stuff right. I think on my pocket.
In your pocket?
I put them in my pocket, so it should be on my name. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay,
Feel.
here.
Where at? I was like, I feel it.
It's down here, down here.
Oh, okay.
I got a hole in the pocket.
Turn it on for me. I'll let you fix it here in a second. You know, you just have the baby shoes top on?
Yeah, you can check too. I'm
I
all
don't
good.
want to pinch you.
You're good, you're good. Just careful, good.
Yep, sorry I got you here. Alright, you can sit back down. You want all of them or just her? Okay.
I'm not looking to try and...
Yeah. Okay. You have baby teeth on? You want to lift it up for me?
Watch out.
One second, I'm going to take him really quick.
The only thing I shouldn't have is in my pocket, which is a pen. So you can take that one. Oh, I'm sorry.
Man, I stop you and then you tell me there's nothing in the car because you got your cousins in it, stuff like that. That's not the case, man.
It
Like,
wasn't.
alright, turn around. Rest up back up at the front of the car. Who had the swishers?
It was in her pants.
Oh, hers? Okay, yeah. She had a bunch of pre-rolled ones, so...
Well, mine. They were mine.
And then, so hey, there's a joint in that back door, okay, where your 14-year-old cousin was, okay?
I didn't know that. Honestly,
Like, that...
I understand.
That's the kind of business lady is the problem, man.
No, I'm not
Okay?
gonna lie. I'm not taking risk. But I didn't.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you know, she was not smoking, drug test or anything.
That's a 14-year-old girl, and she's in the army. They're good. Trust me.
She's 14. Who's in the army?
She's in the 14, and she's going to be in the army. She's
Okay.
in like her 4th year in high school.
There,
Like
like you guys can go ahead. That's a little cousin. No, if you fight for anything, because that's our
Yeah,
spot.
I'm not looking to jam your.
Whatever.
I'm not looking to jam your cousin up. Okay. Yeah.
Those have
You and I,
property
we're gonna talk to you guys, not them, right now.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, good.
So, I just gotta make a quick phone call. So we just hang out with that for a second. Yeah. Squire, hang out. I'm gonna ask Destiny something. Squire, come here. I just gotta ask. So, are we doing the 10-15s for possession under 20? Yeah, we are. Okay. I wasn't sure if we did 10-15s on.
I'll do it. I don't care. Or you can. It doesn't matter. I can type it up.
Give me a set of cuffs. Thank you. Turn around, put your body right.
Are we both? We can keep going.
What?
Take my cousin back to the house.
Turn around, put your hands right back.
She too?
Yep. We have a zero tolerance policy.
So what happened with the minor?
We're gonna make a phone call. So the 16-year-old has a license. Okay.
Okay, she take my car.
I'm gonna ask you. Do you want me to allow her to take your car?
For sure.
Okay. Do you want her to take your jewelry?
Oh yeah, he talked to you.
You want her to take your jewelry?
My jewelry like this?
Like your bracelets and stuff.
Yeah, take all that stuff. Yeah, I'd rather go like that.
You're gonna take my car.
You said you wanted it all off.
Yeah.
For this? Yeah, give me a second.
Here, I'll take it off.
You have a zero tolerance.
Step back a little bit.
Okay,
Slide right there, man.
It's okay.
Do you want your hair up?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put it on my wrist until we get your bracelets and stuff up, okay? You want your phone to go with you?
I didn't where's your phone?
My phone.
It's on the car, right behind you.
So can we leave my phone in the car too?
Yep, that's fine.
You want to take it with you?
It's up to you if you want to take it with you.
Am I gonna be able to? I don't know where I'm going. I don't know if I'm going to jail. I don't know if
You're
I'm
going to
jail for a
go to
couple
jail.
days.
You're going to jail.
Okay, bet.
So, do you want? You can have this, and then get your numbers out of it when you go. Do you want that?
I know mommy number. We know only mommy number. My grandparents. I know it.
Leave my phone, right?
I
I don't
know.
want to lose it or anything.
Yeah, leave your phone.
Leave it.
One thing,
Okay.
can we make a call to her mom, and so that way she knows what's going on, or her dad,
Yeah.
either one.
Can you call? Can you get on the
We
phone?
need to talk to them.
Okay. Do you have service?
Yes, I do, man.
Okay. What's your phone or the thing?
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you please zip this up for me?
This. Do you want your hair up?
Yeah, leave it down. But can you zip it up?
Zip it up.
Yes.
Yeah. Will it blind you?
I just don't want to go there, you know.
Yep. No, you're good.
People have been on here for 11 weeks. I get it.
Yeah, it's zero tolerance. It's whole weed.
There's so many criminals.
You said you. Did you
But I do want to know something. What's gonna happen, sir? Can you tell me? Why am I going to jail for?
You're going to jail, probably possession of.
The search discovered marijuana in 3 locations. First, pre-rolled joints in the passenger's purse with her ID. This is actual possession. Actual possession means contraband in hand, pocket, or immediate control. The passenger cannot deny knowledge of her own purse contents. Second, marijuana in the center console. This creates constructive possession issues. Under Florida law, constructive possession requires 2 elements. 1, dominion and control over the location. 2, knowledge the contraband was present. The state must prove both beyond reasonable doubt. Hall v. State, 1980. Multiple people can jointly possess contraband, but the state must prove knowledge and control independently for each person. Mere presence or proximity is legally insufficient. This is where the driver's statements become critical evidence. When asked about marijuana, the driver admitted, "I don't smoke a lot, but when I smoke, I try to do it in my car." This establishes knowledge. Her later claim, "Everything in that car is mine," constitutes admission to possession. She attempted to protect her sister but bound herself legally. Third location, a joint in the door pocket where the 14-year-old sat. The driver claimed no knowledge. Knowledge cannot be presumed. The charging decision reveals prosecutorial discretion in action. The officer acknowledged uncertainty. "I don't know that it's hers regarding ownership." Yet both adults were arrested under zero-tolerance policy. Discretion exists precisely for ambiguous scenarios like this. Florida Statute 893.136. Possession under 20 grams is first-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 1 year jail, $1,000 fine. More significant, mandatory 6-month license suspension under Florida Statute 322.55, plus permanent criminal record affecting employment and housing. Now the constitutional earthquake. 6 months after this arrest, Williams v. State overturned the plain smell doctrine in Florida's 2nd District. October 1, 2025. The court held marijuana odor alone no longer constitutes probable cause. Legal hemp and medical marijuana smell identical to illegal cannabis. Therefore, odor by itself doesn't make criminal activity immediately apparent. The 4th Amendment standard for warrantless searches. But Flagler Beach sits in the 5th District Court of Appeal jurisdiction, not the 2nd. Florida now has a patchwork of marijuana search law. Your constitutional protections depend on which county you're in when pulled over. This creates equal protection concerns under the 14th Amendment. Officer performance, grade B+, legally compliant under March 2025 precedent. Professional demeanor, clear communication, proper safety protocols. The minus, choosing custodial arrest over citation despite acknowledged uncertainty. Zero tolerance eliminates discretion where it's most needed. Driver performance, grade C+, full cooperation, no escalation, but her admission "I tried to do it in my car" destroyed her defense. Claiming all marijuana as hers to protect her sister created prosecution evidence. Marijuana accessible to a 14-year-old shows judgment failure. Passenger performance, grade C-, cooperative and polite. But marijuana in her personal purse with her ID creates indefensible actual possession. Her only defense option, challenge the search constitutionality. Under March 2025 law that faces long odds, her legal position is weakest.
Possession of marijuana under 20 grams, possession of paraphernalia, and then you'll end up probably
What is
getting
paraphernalia?
so the rolling papers or like the
Like the stuff that is used to roll like joints?
yeah.
Okay.
So he probably has rolling papers. I don't know. I don't think you have rolling papers. So
Everything in that car is mine.
Okay.
Everything in that car is mine, please. It's just
It's
my
unfortunately it's literally in her purse, and it
I
has
put
her
it-
name and stuff like that in it. So that's the reason why she's going is because you can't take.
Why are he
but
going to
the
jail
center-
for it? The
but
same thing? Are we doing the same
the
thing?
weed
We're
that's in
twins.
it. Hey,
So if you see us being like this, it's because we're
it's okay.
twins.
It's cool.
okay?
I don't mind talking to you guys.
Okay,
But the weed
okay.
that's in the center console, this is your car, so you're responsible for the weed that's in the car.
So if so the car, her purse is in my car as well.
yes, but
And
it's
all of
clearly
that-
hers because it has all her
We
identification.
don't, well, the weed doesn't have a name. The weed doesn't have an identification. I'm the owner of the car is telling you that that weed right there is mine. In the purse that's in my car.
I can add a note to the report board that
Yeah,
you're
there you
claiming
go.
all of it. Do whatever. That way, maybe in the court.
Do you want it on the wrist?
She's gonna know.
It's okay, we're good, we're good.
All right, so we're gonna go to his car. That's right there, and then I'm gonna have you guys just slide over, okay?
Hey guys, keep walking. You can't block the sidewalk.
All right, we're gonna walk.
Yeah, I guess they are.
Yeah, we're recording.
No, not yet. People.
Oh, okay. Nope, you're good. We're gonna go this way.
Let me see that way.
They can leave now after we leave, right?
Yeah, I'll get him out of here in a second.
Can you slide so she?
Wait. Should I go in? Are you good? Yeah. Is your car cleaned out?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Sophia!
I held him up for a second.
Okay, help me with this, please. No, you have to do it quick.
Can you show adult male and adult female 10-15?
No, it's just like, I don't know.
They're twins. I think they're both 18. No.
207?
Yeah, they're over 18.
Loco, yo creo que tú crees que tú vas a grabar esto para TikTok.
We can ask for it and then we can post it.
Okay, then can we say hi? I mean, how you feeling?
I
They
feel like
followed
there's
us.
so many criminals and we are back here. When right now in this street, there's really like maybe 7 criminals, 7 real criminals, more than 7.
Damn, we going to jail.
Somebody having a seizure and I'm here because
Motherfucker, vamos a tener una foto en la cárcel.
You guys like Bad Bunny?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bump it, but is this volume fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank
Alright.
you. Yeah, that's fine.
Bravo 11. You copy suspicious person, the man in the wheelchair. Copy. 115 North Orange. Have a disturbance at Phase 2 location 2608 Hill Street. Somebody was screaming and they
Ay, ay,
I'm gonna fuck that.
Huh?
If I find somebody, I'll fuck
Fuck them, child. You think about fucking right now? How long? We're gonna, bro, we have to wait for a judge day. We can take time.
Bravo 11 is on. Did you want Bravo 11? Bravo 11. Bravo 11, you copy?
I don't have my phone, right? You left it, right?
Yeah.
You know who's gonna be with us most, right? This is bad. People in our family gonna think we're horrible. What you think?
Abuela, cámbialo para sacarlo. Y voy a fumar. Una cosa, pero ya se acabó la fumadera en el carro.
Yo no puedo creer que esto es verdad, señor Jesús. Ese es el recorte más feo de estos cabrones, pero son unos quenes.
But we're technically not gonna be in jail, right? We're gonna be in like a...
No, we're gonna go
No,
to
you're gonna go
jail.
to jail.
Oh, jail. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm gonna be in a room with
A bunch of strangers.
a couple of them or a bunch?
A bunch.
So it's not really close.
That's also in jail. No.
You're talking about prison and jail. Prison is different than jail.
Yeah, prison is different than jail, yes.
Prison is when they give you, when you have to...
That's when you get sentenced. Yeah, so you're just going to jail today. Just county jail.
Three critical lessons from this case. First, silence protects you. The driver's admission of regular vehicle marijuana use gave prosecutors knowledge element. When officers ask about contraband, you have Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Use it. Explanations rarely help, often harm. Second, personal items matter legally. The passenger's marijuana was in her purse with her ID. That's actual possession, nearly impossible to defend. If you must transport contraband, location determines who gets charged. Center console creates shared control questions. Personal purse does not. Third, zero-tolerance policies eliminate officer discretion. Citations achieve law enforcement objectives without jail trauma in minor first offense cases. The law gave this officer authority to arrest. Wisdom and justice suggested citation. Authority without wisdom serves neither safety nor justice. The ultimate lesson: constitutional law evolves, but arrests happen in real time under existing precedent. These twins were arrested under law that changed 6 months later. Their Fourth Amendment rights were arguably narrower than someone arrested for identical conduct just months later in a different county. This is the human cost of legal transition. For first-time offenders, statistics favor pretrial diversion, 40 to 60% probability. Complete drug evaluation and treatment, charges get dismissed, no conviction. Defense counsel should file motion to suppress even knowing it faces difficult odds, preserves appellate issues, and creates plea negotiation leverage. This case sits at the intersection of Fourth Amendment protection, marijuana policy reform, and the fundamental question: should your constitutional rights depend on arrest timing and geography? The law isn't settled. Appellate courts will continue refining standards, and real people face real consequences while the system decides. If this analysis provided value, subscribe for more Fourth Amendment breakdowns. Should marijuana odor justify warrantless searches? Does zero tolerance serve justice? Drop your thoughts below. Your perspective matters in this ongoing constitutional and policy debate. Thank you for watching this legal analysis.